Hey guys, so welcome to my channel. So today I want to talk you about a TUI based file manager which is named as Yazi. So I have been playing with this file manager for a while, and it's been a very good file manager. It have other than other file managers like Ranger, which is also a TUI based file manager. It is comparison to that, it is very easy to use and it's very flexible. The plus point of this file manager is that it has Vim like key bindings, and with that Vim users will love it very much. And I usually use a terminal named foot, but the problem with this terminal is that it only supports 6L type of reviewing. So for that I was trying to configure Ranger file manager so that it can work with 6L, but the thing was that it wasn't working at all. But when I installed this file manager, it automatically detected which kind of terminal I use. I have already the 6L library pre-installed in my system, so it automatically started using it, and because of which I am currently able to preview whatever photo or document it is. And it comes with some plenty of features like multiple tabs. So if I press T, so it will open a second tab. If I press again another T, so it will open third tab, and I can jump between them by pressing 1 2 3 like this. And if I for example, if I want to just be in different paths at different times, so it is very useful. For example, I can go to one tab, I can be at configuration files, or and in second tab I am at home folder, third tab I am somewhere else. And it's it helps very much. You can navigate to many different places at the same time. And other than that, it have other things like sorting. It can do sorting. So if I press comma with S, so it will sort according to the size. If I press M, which is for line mode, and then I press S, so it will show me the sizes of all the folders and files that I have in my system. And if I want to see the date, so of when it was made or modified, so I can just press M and then say M and press again M, so it will show me the date and the time when it was modified. And it's a very nice thing to have. And other than that, I have already noticed that it whenever I press something like M, so it will give me at the bottom which keys show me palette, where I can see which kind of keys are for which thing. It's like a very useful thing. In file managers like Ranger, I have to remember which kind key bindings do what, but here it is like very simple and minimal. And I can literally don't need to just remember anything. Just you need to know the basics of a little bit of Vim key bindings like HGKL to navigate. Or even you don't need to even remember that. You can just use the arrow keys to do the same thing. And it really well integrate with things like NeoVim. And other than that, I have configured it a little bit. So if I would show you my configurations here, so I have a little bit done remapping of the bindings. And other than that, I have configured theming and like this. And yeah, I haven't write it by my own. It was in their GitHub repository, from where I copied it and just pasted it after choosing whichever theme I like. And if I want to change it, so I can change it in future. And other than that, just normal yazi configs. I was using some things like edits and You can even set up mimes, but currently I am not using them for at the moment because I didn't like my own configurations for a while, so I just commented it out, and whenever I feel like it's good to use, so I will use it again. But there are some things like sort directories first, like things which I always keep turned on because I'm habitual of these kind of things. So that's all for this video, and why I wanted to talk about this file manager because some days ago I was recovering my some of the media files which I deleted, and they were very huge, and the problem with that was that I used Photorec to recover them all, and if you have used Photorec, so you will know that it just gives a random serial number to all the files, and the names of the real names are gone, and you are gonna really struggle in that. So I had to literally preview everything and have to sort it according to uh, whatever thing it was, and in that case this file manager turned out for me like a lifesaver. And trust me, like if I have used something like a GUI based file manager, so it would have literally drained me completely. But because of this file manager I was able to do that stuff pretty quick, and it was like just a couple of hours. Otherwise it would have taken many days to just sort out all those files. So I would recommend to try it out to see whether you will like it or not. It is a very new project, by the way, but you can install it in Arch and have fun of it. So that's all for this video. Thanks. Bye bye.